Hey guys, everyone is getting a Swiggy One membership at just 19 rupees. Some are getting late and some are getting early. So you can check out. I'll show you how you got to do. Go to Swiggy app, click on profile icon. You see here buy Swiggy One. Click on that. You see here buy one at just 19 rupees as I told earlier. Okay, here let me tell you what are the benefits you are getting for just 19 rupees. As you see in the picture, you have unlimited free deliveries on Swiggy, Food, Instamart, and you have dine out coupons worth 300 rupees being split into two, and you have extra discounts. And not only that, you have Uber coupons and Cinepolis. You can check out afterwards. Okay, now coming back to buying Swiggy One membership at just 19 rupees. As I told earlier, you go to Swiggy app, click on profile icon, you find Swiggy Buy One, click on that. After that, you see the screen appearing in this way and click on Buy One at just 19 rupees. Click on that. Once you click on that, you have to make payment here. You can choose any of the online payment modes that are available right on the screen. After choosing the payment mode, click on pay. That's it, done. Your plan is purchased. And you can avail Swiggy One membership benefits for 1 month as shown in the picture. You will see here, congratulations, for Swiggy membership is active. Do enjoy and subscribe if you like this video, and share if your friends want to know how to get Swiggy One membership at just 19 rupees. So that's it all for today. If you've got any doubts, ask me in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Keep smiling. Have a good day.